Hello, everyone. Welcome to BackBest Product. In today's video, I will show you the best spotting scope. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Features: powerful magnification. The SVB-BON YF9334 GMAK spotting scope is designed for high magnification with a powerful zoom range of 25x to 75x. This makes it perfect for birdwatching, camping, and outdoor activities where observing fine details from a distance is essential. Whether you're tracking wildlife in the forest or stargazing at night, this spotting scope provides the clarity and reach needed to make your experience exceptional. High-quality construction. Made with durability in mind, this spotting scope is manufactured in mainland China under SVB-BON WISE strict quality standards. Its rugged build ensures it can withstand outdoor conditions, giving you a reliable tool for long-term use. The natural rubber exterior enhances grip and durability, while the gilding gold logo adds an elegant touch. Tripod for stability. For extended viewing sessions, the included tabletop tripod is a game changer. The tripod provides a steady platform for the spotting scope, helping to reduce fatigue and ensuring that you have a stable and clear image. This makes it especially useful for long birdwatching sessions where handholding would otherwise be tiring and unstable. Ideal for birdwatching. Thanks to its powerful optics and precise focus control, this spotting scope is perfect for birdwatching. It allows users to spot even the smallest birds and appreciate fine details like feather patterns and colors. The fine focus knob allows for precise adjustments, ensuring you always get a crisp and clear view. Fine focus knob and foldable rubber eye cup. The scope's fine focus knob allows you to achieve sharp focus, making it easier to capture clear images. Additionally, the foldable rubber eye cup is a thoughtful feature for eyeglass wearers, allowing them to use the scope comfortably without removing their glasses. Fully multi-coated glass lenses. Equipped with fully multi-coated glass lenses, this spotting scope delivers impressive brightness and resolution. This coating reduces glare and improves light transmission, resulting in crisp, bright images even in low light conditions. Waterproof and fog-proof design. The SVB-BON YF9334G is designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions, with nitrogen filling and an O-ring seal that make it waterproof and fog-proof. This makes it suitable for use in various weather conditions, ensuring your viewing experience isn't compromised by rain or mist. Bok 4 prisms and 70mm objective lens. The spotting scope features high-quality Bok 4 prisms, which provide clear, bright, and sharp images with minimal distortion. Its 70mm objective lens allows for superior brightness, enhancing your viewing experience and enabling you to capture vivid details. Versatile use for terrestrial and astronomical viewing. With its 5PCS/3 groups zoom eyepiece capable of 2575x magnification, this spotting scope is suitable for both terrestrial and astronomical use. This versatility allows you to observe distant wildlife during the day and take in the beauty of the stars and planets at night. Pros: high magnification. With a 2575x zoom range, this spotting scope provides impressive magnification, allowing you to observe distant objects in great detail. Sturdy and durable, built to withstand outdoor conditions, its rugged construction makes it a reliable companion for all types of adventures. Waterproof and fog-proof, nitrogen-filled and O-ring sealed, it's protected against water and fog, ensuring clear views regardless of the weather. Clear, bright images, the Bok 4 prisms, and fully multi-coated lenses enhance image clarity, brightness, and color fidelity. Includes tripod. The tabletop tripod ensures stability, providing a steady platform for extended viewing sessions. Comfortable for eyeglass wearers, the foldable rubber eye cup accommodates those who wear glasses, offering flexibility and comfort. Versatile use, suitable for both terrestrial and astronomical purposes, making it a versatile tool for nature lovers and stargazers alike. Portable with carrying case, the included carrying case makes it easy to transport, ideal for travel and outdoor use. Cons: tripod height. The included tripod is a tabletop model, which may not be convenient for users who prefer a full-size tripod for more flexibility in positioning. Weight: while durable, the spotting scope is on the heavier side, which may be noticeable during long treks or hikes. Manual focus: the fine focus knob requires manual adjustment, which might take time to get used to, especially for beginners. Chromatic aberration at maximum zoom: like many high magnification scopes, there may be minor chromatic aberration when zooming in at the highest levels, especially in bright lighting. The SUV-BON YF9334 GMA-K spotting scope offers a powerful combination of high magnification, durability, and clear optics, making it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts, bird watchers, and amateur astronomers. Its fully multi-coated lenses, Bok 4 prisms, and waterproof design ensure that you have a high-quality viewing experience in any weather. The scope's foldable rubber eye cup and tripod enhance its usability, making it comfortable for both eyeglass wearers and those seeking stability during extended viewing sessions. While it has some limitations, such as a narrower field of view at high magnification and the need for manual focus adjustment, these are minor compared to the overall benefits. The SUV-BON YF9334 GMA-K spotting scope is a versatile, well-built, and high-performing tool that's suitable for both nature observation and celestial viewing. If you're looking for a reliable, powerful, and waterproof spotting scope that can handle diverse viewing conditions, this scope is definitely worth considering. Check the price link in the description and subscribe to Best Product for more reviews on top outdoor gear.